Great.
All right. Well, at least I got my mic going. So
Kilo stop.
dude, my trade of eight just crashed too. Literally, it just crashed. You think it's gonna hit this 30 mark again?
Um,
On the this on the EQ.
or the 30 mark. What are you referring to?
15:030. See, it's bounced on it twice.
I think that these two wicks have kind of told us what we need to know. I think it's going to go up from here.
Yeah, I just didn't know if I could get a reversal entry there.
Yeah, I think it's going to go up from here.
I guess technically it was a little less than 30, but I'm on the 3 minute chart right now.
Dude, what the fuck? I paid for data. Why is it not? Getting really annoyed right now. There's like some weird shits fucking pissing me off.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The
Don't be one of these days where this keeps doing this booting me out bullshit. Fuck. Why is this? What the fuck is going on, dude? My stream, like, can you hear me or see me? Like, I don't even know what's going on, honestly.
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, you're
Okay.
No, I just turned my
No, I just turned my
microphone down.
microphone down.
Hmm. I don't know why this is so laggy. It's really bad though. Oh my god, dude. This better not like just keep fucking happening. I'm gonna be really mad.
I think here's
I think here's going to be the reversal.
Just so chopped. Like my screen, dude, this is getting so fucking annoying, dude. Just like I'm getting annoyed by how much this is being glitchy as fuck. Well, I guess I can't trade today because it just keeps logging me out. I really hate when it does this shit. I mean, I can talk about the front. We can just record and do that video like we had mentioned if you want.
Yeah, if you want to do that.
If you want to do that,
Record, just let me know.
or just let me know.
The topic.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, it'll just be me recording my screen and just, I guess what talking about the different prop firms.
Yeah, we can.
I can't really hear you. You're super quiet.
I said, yeah, we can.
I said, yeah, we can.
Okay. Let me. All right. Cat hair everywhere. All right, so I guess.
Hang on a second. Let me. I don't know why
Mhm.
it's not actually capturing the screen. Now it is. That's weird. All right, I'm gonna start recording here.
Well, hold on. We gotta. I'm trying to trying to get this on my screen. I want to do video. so that you can show me like in the corner or something.
Yeah, we're gonna turn.
So there's Apex, there's Elite, there's and Tops. Oh my god, are you fucking serious, dude? I like can't trade. It keeps logging me out, and I literally have been trying to go long. I remember I was long waiting for that. Just made 30-point move, and I was literally like I was in it waiting, and just like something. I don't know why my screen's so fucking My computer's so glitchy right now. Like everything's running so slow. Like it's hosed down. All right, well, I guess let's go. Let's do it. Can you see me? Like, is it gonna? Can you can see me in the stream? I won't be able to see me because I guess it makes it a lot better than just a video of someone talking, you know. Although my hair looks like shit. Well, I mean, there's no rush, so just take your time doing whatever you have to do. Like, there's no rush. I can't hear you, bro. My bad. What? What'd you say? It's recording. I can just taking a dab really fast. And when you post the video, you should obviously be like post all of like the affiliate links we have too for each one. All right. So just jump right into it. All right. Okay. So, hey everybody, Daniel here. Gonna do a quick breakdown on some prop firms, the little basic differences on them, which ones I use, what I like, why. Just all the basics, some questions that we get often. Of course, we have affiliate links to all of them. And I'm just gonna be transparent about that. It doesn't really matter. We make like $5. Big deal. So first up is Apex Trader and Elite Trader. I use both of these. The key similarity of these two is they're both like the cheapest typically, and that's because they both use something called trailing drawdown based off of your unrealized intraday high. So what does that mean? It gets everybody kind of confused. If, for example, you are in a trade, let's say that your max drawdown is $1,000. Let's say that you're in a trade and you're up $500, but you don't close it. That is where your drawdown is going to trail from. So even though you don't close a trade, it's going to trail from your highest high, unrealized. So if you are up two grand and you close that trade, and now you're at, let's say it's a $50,000 account, you're at 52,000, and then you open up another trade and it goes up $500, but it goes back down to break even when you close it, it's going to mark you at 52,500 as the high. So if your trailing drawdown is $1,000, you really only have, even though you closed at break even, you've you've eaten up like $500 of your drawdown because you brought yourself up $500 above your threshold or above your balance, and then went back down to zero, and then so now you've only got 500 left. It's a little bit more well laid out, I believe, here. As you can kind of see, so your unrealized. So this is like your unrealized is 54,000. That means like you were in trades, and at some point your account equity was 54,000. Doesn't mean that that's what your account balance is now, but that's where your drawdown goes from. And then once you get past whatever it is, this, I think it's, yeah, it just starts to stay the same. So that's the big thing with these. Take profit trader. Where is this? I can't get out of that. I have to show you it this way. I don't like take profit as much because I can't get the order book. Why isn't it? I don't really want people seeing my account. So here we go. They have this going on right now. One thing I don't like about them is you can't get an order book. So or at least I haven't figured out how. So like I have kind of just been messing with it. I got like a free account, tried them out. I mean, everything seems cool. One good thing about them, the payout is supposed to be really fast. But these two, the drawdown is based off of your high of the day. So it's not unrealized, it's your high of the day. However, the thing is they have much tighter. Actually, this one's about the same as Elite Trader. Yeah, they're running deals right now. So actually, like, usually these are a lot more expensive. Right now, they're like the same price. So I would like really recommend snagging these because they actually have a really good like structure. This part though, they all have this. Like after you pass your test, you're always going to pay an activation fee, except for with Elite Trader on their fast tracks. That's why I usually do these. I do the fast tracks because I'll pass them and really like in a day or two. You got to wait a few days. But then you get automatically put onto the Elite account, and then after about 5 days, 15 days of trading, like your first payout, depending how good and consistent you are, they'll bump you to a pro account. If not, it takes 3 payouts. And then what I do is I link my 3 pro accounts together. Apex kind of basically the same setup. Once you pass, you pay an evaluation. So they all are going to charge you an evaluation fee, an activation fee. I think this one's waiving it right now. Yeah, no pro fees. So like they all do different specials. They all have different deals going on at different times. The biggest thing to notice is these are going to be unrealized profits. So like you can fail these a little bit easier if you're not monitoring what your high is, even if you don't close that high. These are a little bit easier to monitor your thresholds. Making sense. Other big important thing is they all have like guidelines except for this one. They all have guidelines on like when you can pull your money out. So once you do pass, your first 3 payouts are like 15 days apart. Each one of these. One of them's like 5 days apart, one of them's 10 days apart, and they change them all the time. But one of the big things to know is most of them do like 15 days for your first payout, and it's a threshold for your first payout. So it's important to know that like even when you're past your test, you're not in real money. They're actually just paying you for your trades. Like they're literally just paying you money, and they're copying some of your trades once you've shown consistency and paying you money based off of like max thresholds, like for each account, depending on the size of the account. If it's like a $25,000 account, $50,000 account, your first withdrawal can only be a max of a certain amount, and that changes based on the size of your account. And that's how it is for the first 3 withdrawals. Starting on the 4th withdrawal, it's unlimited. It's there's no minimum and there's no maximum. That being said, that's how they kind of like, they don't really put you in a real account till you're actually in that after that 4th withdrawal, so they're just paying you for your wins at that point. Another question that I get a lot. Let me see. Trying to think here. They all have different payout methods: Wise, PayPal, ACH. Take Profit's supposed to be the fastest. Top Step's supposed to be like the second fastest. The rest are good though. I wouldn't worry too much about who's going to pay you the fastest, because I'll be completely honest with you. 90% of you are probably never going to get paid out because you're going to rush it. So don't really worry about when you're going to get paid out. Just focus on actually making money. That's like my biggest tip. Don't rush. What else? Am I missing anything? It's really good to get the market data. Not top of book, but level 2. Am I missing anything, guys? You guys think of any questions that people ask me often? Reset fees. Most of these are like 50 to 100 bucks to reset. And if you're kind of like bouncing around between the firms, you can probably find one that's got a discount or something. Hold on, edit this out. I just don't know what my cat's doing. Oh my god. Holy shit. He is crazy. All right.
Yeah.
What are some other questions? Oh yeah, so Elite Trader and Apex have this thing called the static drawdown, which is like your drawdown never changes. I actually recommend it. Those are really good for like a beginner. They're smaller drawdown, so you can't lose as much. But it's like your drawdown stays the same, period. Granted, it's kind of like it's a little bit easier for a beginner because it's like straightforward. But if you're practicing proper risk reward management, like you're practicing the right things, it shouldn't really even matter if you have the unrealized drawdown, because you just need to just know it in your head. It's just all about paying attention and just like knowing where you're at. So it's just like the level of what level of like accountability do you want? You're here trading money, you should be pretty fucking accountable. I really think that's about it, man. They all have their differences. I recommend using TradingView, not Trade of 8. They're all very similar. They all just slightly different amounts. The biggest thing to note right here is the amount of contracts. Like, don't get caught up on how much buying power you have, because this is a lie. Like, you have this much buying power. This is your buying power. The amount of contracts. If it only says you can use 2 contracts and you have $100,000, you don't have $100,000 worth of buying power. You got 2 contracts worth of buying power. So really, this number and this number is what matters. The less that you pay here and the more of these you get is what you want. Less here, more here, and the maximum loss. You shouldn't even worry about the profit target. Like, no one should really, because once you hit it, it doesn't matter. Just fucking get there. Like, that's, you want big down here, big right here, and cheap here. It's like cheap, a lot of positions, good drawdown. This is like one of my favorite ones. This is like the easiest to do, honestly, in my opinion. Apex. What's up?
Oh, cool. I think Top Step has something called max daily loss. So
Yes, max daily loss.
yeah,
Basically the same thing. In a day, you can't lose more. So like some of them have a max daily loss. Well, no, they got rid of it. Top Step got rid of a daily loss now, I think. See?
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
And for Top Step, to pass the test, you don't go 50% above your profit margin.
Oh, that's something to talk about. And a lot of these with the withdrawals. So this is something to explain. Your withdrawals and stuff like that, you have to be if your best trading day, it cannot be more than 40% or 50, depending on the firm, of your total profits, or else you can't withdraw till your total profits exceed until your greatest trading day is less than 40% of your total profit. So, for example, if you have a total of $10,000 in profits, you've been trading for a month, and you racked up 10 grand in profits. Let's say you've already gotten past your first 3 withdrawals, which are capped out at 500 or whatever, 1,000 or whatever they are. You're on your 4th withdrawal. It's time for you to go maximum withdrawal, baby. You can do whatever you want. You can pull out whatever you want. If your best trading day, let's say like the day before yesterday, like the day before you wanted to do your withdrawal, a couple days ago, you had a bomb trading day and you went from $6,000 to $10,000, right? That's a $4,000 trading day. Now your total profit in that account is 10 grand. Okay. 40% of that is 4,000. Your best trading day must be less than 40% of your total profits, or you cannot withdraw. That is because exactly for what just happened. They want to try to eliminate people from just being like hit it big and pull right out. They want you to show consistency. Not that you just got lucky once, made a big trade, now you want to liquidate it all. So if you've got 10K in profits and you've got $4,000 as your best trading day and you try to hit withdrawal, it's going to say no. So what do you... That was my cat trying to climb up the window. So probably have to re-say that. So if your best trading day is $4,000, you're at $10,000 profit, you try to hit withdraw, it's going to say no. You need to do a day of trading where, I mean, really at that point you're right at 40%. So I mean, if you do a day of trading, make $100, technically you're over it. But let's just say for argument's sake, you need to go and bring your account up to $11,000 so that your best trading day is now like 30% or whatever 4,000 is of 11,000. And then you can withdraw whatever you want. Key to remember here is whatever you withdraw, if you leave, you must leave a threshold, because once you make your withdrawal, you're depending on the account, like they show different. Top Step shows your account starting from 0 once you go to pro. It doesn't show you like with 50K in your account and then 52,053. It shows it as 0 and then all the money that you make after that. So if you take out all the money and you only leave $100 left in there and you lose $100 on your next trade, your account's closed. It's literally like 0. It's like as if you ever, it's real money. So it's like you boom, that's it. So for example, with Elite Trader, for you to be able to do your first withdrawal, you have to take the balance and bring it up to whatever the max drawdown is additionally. So if it's a 10K account and your max drawdown is $1,000, you need to get to $11,000 in the account before you can request a withdrawal. And then what will happen is the account, basically you look at 11,000 in your head, think of 11,000 as 0. So if you get to 13,000 and you go to withdraw $2,000, you're going to be at $0. The account will close. So if you get to 13,000 and you withdraw 1,500, the account will be at $500, which means that you have a max drawdown of $500. If you bring the account up to 15,000 and you take out 2,000, that means you're going to have a max drawdown left of 2,000. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. No, you are not the money. You're in a simulated situation, and when you're doing these evaluations, you don't owe the money you lose. You don't ever owe them any money more than what you pay them. You will never owe them money for your losses. They are very smart and hedge this. Different prop accounts let you trade different things. Your best bet is to look. Most of them allow you to trade the CME products. So that's the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, which is the ES, the NQ, the Russell, all of that. A few of them do let you trade Forex as well. I believe it's like these guys are pretty good. You can't use TradingView. You can only use MetaTraders. This is really good for like people in other countries and stuff. They allow Forex as well. Ooh, excuse me. Yeah. But I don't recommend trading forex. Just so that's not really my.
Okay, can you hear me?
Look at that. I love how you're trading while I'm sitting here trying to teach shit. What you should do is when you make this video, you should like you should overlay over my voice and like parts of the screen, like you actually going in and opening it up the window and like going like while I'm talking about this stuff, going to the different parts of the website and showing it along with my voice. You just record yourself also on the screen. No, you can leave me talking. That's the point. But you crop out like because I wasn't really clicking around very well and stuff. So what you use when I'm talking, like just refine it, make it better.
Yeah, I can do that.
I got the Adobe Creative Cloud. So like I don't know if you know what that is, but I mean I can like yeah, we can just split the license key if you want, and you can have a full version on your computer. And the thing is we can edit each other's work because it's cloud based. For Premiere. I strongly doubt it because like everything is kind of modeled and made off of Adobe. So like I would venture to say that whatever it is that you're using probably was like made with Adobe in mind. I also got After Effects. I have like a 3D rendering thing. We have Photoshop, like everything. So and it's like $100 a month, bro. It's like well worth it. Like literally. Who's this Tiffany? What the fuck did you just post? Bro, what the fuck, man? Oh my god, this is annoying as shit. I'm not logged in on my phone. I'm not logged in anywhere. All right. Let's get some money. This has just been pissing me off all morning. Jesus Christ, fucking annoying. Why is this doing this? Whoa. Yeah. Catching a flight, think we're moving too fast. I'm intoxicated. We can move in slow motion if that's what you want, babe. I don't want to come on too strong, but I'm moving too young. What is this? Would you show me something, please, babe? Don't wanna wait in vain. You're the didn't go fast. Sorry, baby. Sorry, baby. Sorry,
Away down. Everybody's running down. Notes, notes down, notes up, notes down. Now the news. Everyone is watching and stuff. Notes up, notes down, notes up, notes down, notes up.
I can't hear you. What? Hold on. Let me raise your volume. All right. What? Good. Why did it show? Was it ignored?
What do you see? I just wanna wake up now. Everybody's running around. Look up, look down, look up, look down, look up, look down. I got so many likes. What do you see? I wanna wake up now. Everybody's running around. Look up, look down, look up, look down. So many likes. Gotta be.
I can't hear you. Hold on. What? Sounds good. Dude.